Okay, my name is Timmy, and I'm making the analysis of JPUSD. Okay, here we go. So yeah, basically, JPUSD is actually quite an easy pair. And this is how it works. Okay, so I'm just gonna select for the month of May the starting price and the closing price, the highest price of the month and the lowest price of the month. There we go. So then I go to the weekly. So for the week, you just pick a very, we have like 4 weeks in a month, and I just picked a unique one. Okay, that is striking. Okay, so we go to the 4 hours. Okay. Okay. Okay, so for the month of June, actually, it's red, okay? So from red, okay? So that's easy. So the key in trading, so let's get to the analysis. A lot of people say forex is difficult. Forex is difficult, but if you understand the basics in forex, you do okay. Okay, so if you understand the basics in forex, because one thing that actually changed my perception about forex is that I cannot make a million, you know, except I actually have a million capital. I cannot have make a million from from 10,000 USD. If I even do it, it's going to take me a lot of stress to do it. You understand? Yes, I could. If I have 100,000 capital, yes, then I could make a million. Okay, because I just have to 10x it. Okay, so if I have $100, I cannot make a million. Maybe within 6 months, or that's an illusion. If you understand the maximum that you can ever, the reality, you understand, not the illusion that you could make. If you understand in logical sense how much it's possible for you to make, you understand, then that will change the whole of your game. You're going to analyze in a different way to make sure that you only take the clearest trades. This is what forex is all about. You understand? Because if you risk your capital, you don't know where it's going. You understand? By the time you enter, it's all about emotions. You understand? So when you understand that forex is actually there, that you can, in my own opinion, trading daily, trading every day is a waste of time. That's my opinion. A lot of people are there who are actually day traders. They are doing fantastic. Okay, you understand? That's them. But I only choose the best probability setup that is actually existing. That's all I do. You understand? So everybody knows their own style of trading, but I just take the best probability, and that's it. You understand? So let's get on to the analysis. Okay. So if you want to trade the way I trade, okay, so what you want to do, you want to look for the higher low, higher high, lower low, and the lower high. You understand? That's it. So now in the month of May, the price is actually trending because it actually started from here and it ended here. So it's trending. Okay, so we zoom in and look at overall. What's it doing? Okay, overall it's trending as well. So we're looking to buy also in the month of June. We don't know. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna mark this point. Okay, that is 2 points that are actually 3 points. Okay, you mark here, and you also mark here. So those are the 3 points I have before the month of June. So when it comes to June, okay, we have a very strong rally to the upside. Okay, fine, that's good information. Okay, it retraces down across the end of price for the month of May. Okay, it goes, on the where okay, on the highest week of the week of the month. What am I trying to say? So it just goes above this black line, yeah, and goes above the highest price of May. It goes about it. What does that tell us? That tells me that price is going continue in the upward trend. That's it. You understand? So then I don't do anything yet. Okay, I don't do anything yet because it could actually keep going up. What do I do? Then on 6th of June, okay, at 6 o'clock, I saw a strong liquidity. Boom! Okay, let me just go to the 30 minutes. Okay, I see a strong liquidity here. Okay, so I see this strong liquidity, boom, okay, and it actually comes to where priced actually closed at the month of May. That's good. That's good data. Okay, I still did not do anything. So price retraced back to the top of the week of May to this black line here. Okay, so that's an entry. That's an entry, but I didn't take it because why? Don't forget, I was looking for buy. You understand? So it's a good position to actually go in. You understand? You understand? It's a very, very good position. It's a good position, but I didn't go in. Okay? So what happened is that, listen here, this is the key right here. So I would also, before I continue, I would also say that if you stuck in forex, or you don't understand what it's all about and you want a mentor, I can offer my skill to actually give you one-on-one on how to actually trade forex in a profitable way. So back to actually what we're talking about. So immediately we had this liquidity here. I just marked this zone here. Okay, what did I tell myself? The next time price came back here, boom, he did it actually on the 12th of June, and it retraced back. I'm going to enter, and he did exactly what I wanted to. Okay, and he did it on the 12th of June, so I was able to take 100 points. So that was my entry. So basically, what am I trying to say? Forex is not that difficult. It's anybody could do it. You understand? It's what's the word to say? It's not easy, and it's easy. It's simple, but it's not easy. Forex is simple, but it's not easy. So that's just my entry for the month of June. Okay, so let me do a bit of gold analysis. Okay. Okay. So for the gold analysis, okay. So I'm just gonna show you the trade that I actually took on Friday, just this Friday on the 13th. Okay, so on gold, you just want to go to 4 hours, and you just want to draw your key zones. Okay, so we can see this zone here. That's a key zone. Okay, and let me see where we have the other key zone. Okay, yeah, this is also good as well. Okay, so you just want to stay patient and see what price would actually do, and so gold is all about the zones. Okay, so on this on the Friday, what happened was this. You actually go to the end of the day. I knew I was going to trade on Friday because I expected price to actually break out of these horizontal line, uh, this resistance over here. Okay, So I expected price to actually break above this resistance. Okay, so on Thursday, I don't actually want to give out all my secrets. Basically, if you really want to, I can actually teach anyone. It took me a while to understand gold. I don't advise anyone who is a newbie in forex to actually trade gold, but if you really take your time to analyze your gold, you would do okay. So basically, on Friday, I expected to buy, you understand, because I could see our price finished on a Thursday. And so just go to 30 minutes, 0 30 hours, price actually rallied, broke it. Okay, so that's a very good opportunity to buy. You understand? And if you actually missed the rally, then from this London session, which starts at 5:30, also give another opportunity. Okay, so price actually came down here. Okay, so just draw a Fibonacci there. So if you miss the Asian session, okay, if you miss that, that's okay. Okay, then it came back there on a Friday at 7:55, and you should have your 10 pips or your 10 points. So that's just what gold gave me, yeah, for last week. So that's my analysis, and I hope you've been able to get a nugget. I mean, to get an idea from this, and thank you for watching.